video bit by bit because I don't want it to be too long. Now this is the second section of the video. Say you have searched soya beans buyer or whatever buyer you want here, and the buyers pop up. So you need to contact them, right? So you click on where contact the buyer. I click on contact the buyer. You're going to see what will happen here because most of you are confused how to use this since it's a share account and it's also from Global Buyer. Now I will need to what? Unlock the buyer. Okay, so in most cases you see unlock the contact details in okay. So sometimes you see show contact details. So in that case, what you need to do is you click on, let's start from the first one that says unlock the contact details. So I'm going to click, so let me highlight that so that you see it. So I'll click on that, unlock the contact details. So the next thing I need to do is to click on proceed. I'll click on proceed. And yeah, what you need to do here is simple. You will need to click on excuse me. So what you need to do here is to click continue browsing. No, yeah, click on continue browsing. Let's see. Oh, let's go back. Sorry about that. So what you need to do here is to click on Enquiry Manager. Enquiry Manager. That's what you need to click. So click on that. So when you click on that, it's going to, although I've accessed this buyer already, so it's going to show you this. Okay. So, but let's go back and search for another buyer so that I can show you how to do it. But before that, let me click on show contact details. So when you click on show contact details, you have contact details of buyers that you can contact. So what you do here is to click the I'll probably click on the email address. I'll look for email address. These are the email address, and also look for the phone number. And the reason why I need a phone number is to take the phone numbers to the WhatsApp. So if they're on WhatsApp, it's easy to chat them there, and then introduce yourself, introduce your business, and also show them. You can screenshot this entire page and show them that you found this detail from Global Buyer. And again, you need a product website. So I'm going to talk about the product website because that's the selling point of your business. So before that, let's go back and redo that thing again. I'll come back to the top here and type let's type which of the products. Let's say charcoal. Okay, charcoal. So I'll type charcoal buyer. So the last charcoal buyer here was on the 24th of April. So here I have to click what? I have to click the contact details because that's where my interest is. I click on the contact details, and okay, so I think someone accessed this already. Okay, so let's look at the one that nobody have accessed already. So in most cases you may see something like this. Okay, so want to unlock the buyer, I'll click on unlock. So the moment you click on unlock buyer, we need to click proceed to unlock. So I click on proceed to unlock. So here you need to click on manage enquiry. Alright, so I click on enquiry manager rather. So the buyer here will now show here. Alright, where is it? Okay, this is it here. It's going to show here. Alright, so you can now click here to see the buyer. Have you seen the details here? These are the details I need. I don't need other things. Of course, I've gotten what the person needs here. So I just need to copy the what, the email address, the phone number, the name, and also do that with this the other ones here too, because I think they have separate sections. Okay, so I copy the numbers, I copy the email address, and I'll add to where I'll take it to my email. Okay, I'll take it to my email. I'll copy it and I'll go to my email and do a small let's quickly do that. And I can now do I can now say okay, paste it here, paste the email here, right? So as subject I say because this person actually needs charcoal, so I can say charcoal charcoal available. Say charcoal available, then I can now write a small detail, although I would have sit down and then craft a perfect, you know, small formal letter. A small letter, not too much bogus thing, just introduce your stuff. Okay, let's just see if we can try here. I can say good day. What's the name of that person again? So go back to the page and I can say I can copy this, but I still have to read what this person wants. He said we want to buy charcoal, add charcoal. We want to buy hardwood charcoal, which is what we have here everywhere, and 35 high BLs in bag size of 54x90, 1,400 with your bag. So it's also giving you the specific amount he's buying. So to 1,500 with our bag. So 40 to 45 BX 1,400 with so it's also even telling you that don't come with additional amount. This is the amount he wants to buy his stuff. So looking forward to hear soon from you. So I've copied that particular contact address. I'll go back to the email address and I'll now paste it there. Say, because that's the name of the buyer. So say good day, Mr. Sheldon King. I found your request to supply add wood charcoal then here you can now do a little bit of convincing the man that you have it. You can say, okay, we have hardwood charcoal, hardwood charcoal from West Africa. Just be creative. It's just because I'm in a not in a creative mood at the moment. So normally if I need to write these people, I would have gotten like a template done and then just do a little bit of editing. So blah 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 and all that. We have hardwood charcoal from West Africa, good quality. Always praise the standard of your product. Always make it look standard, even if it's not. In fact, it's standard already, because if you're looking to keep this buyer, you need to give quality standard product out. Okay, so we'll have to tell this person you have good quality standard charcoal from Nigeria. You have to specify where the product is actually coming from. So tell him that we have cheap products, because they are also a business person. They're looking for. You could remember that this person also indicated that this is the price they want, because people flip price a lot. So he's actually telling you that these are prices of what he can afford to pay. Okay, so here we need to also make it clear that we will have cheap charcoal. Okay, well, we have cheap charcoal for you, and then right away you also tell the person to check your website. Okay, just to kindly check our product website for more details. Just be creative. It may not be more details, just be something that is the call to action is better. Okay, so I'm just saying it's simple, and you can now add your details. www.greenfarmproduct.com, and we also have your phone number. My phone number is everywhere. You can also, in case this other phone number is not going, I recommend you use two numbers in case one is not going. So 5849994. So you also have to attach your email. Okay, your business email, which is the Green Farm Products. Okay, so Green Farm Products, excuse me, greenfarmproducts.com. Excuse me, Green Farm Products at, let's say info@greenfarm.com product and all that. So just say website. Okay, and yeah, we do it. I want to make it clean. Okay, you know exactly what to do, but this is taking time because of the video. Anyway, so let me just chop that off. You can just do it this way. So very simple process. You know what will happen here? If this person head to your website, on your website, this is the first thing he's going to do. I can assure you this is the first thing he will do. Even before coming to chat job, he's going to do this first. So your website should do the job, and the next thing is to send it. Now you send this to this buyer. You can also do multiple sending to, just do this like 5 to 10 times in a day. So some will not reply, some will reply, maybe because they've gotten buyers already, So that's for that, and that's it. Just send them message, and you'll make it professional already. It's as simple as that. Then they will go through your website. This person is going to see your contact details, because on the site you're going to have like a your WhatsApp attached to it, boldly attached to it. So he's going to contact you through the WhatsApp. He's using WhatsApp because not everywhere in the world everybody's not using WhatsApp. So if he's not contacting you through the WhatsApp, he's going to contact you through your product email, which is the company email. All right. So you can do the sending. That's it. So let's go back to the portal. You can go again and let's try another one again. Let's do System Seed. Okay, let's do System Seed. Let's do System Seed. Now this is the System Seed buyer. Let's click on this. So just click on this. Contact the buyer. So we need to unlock this buyer, right? Because I think most people have not seen this, so we're going to unlock this buyer. So we'll click on proceed to unlock. Proceed to unlock. We'll click on Inquiry Manager. Click on Inquiry Manager, and then Inquiry Manager, we can now click on Show Contact Details. So click on Show Contact Details, and boom, we have the contact details of this buyer. You know, just the way I showed you how to send emails to them. Very simple process. So let's go back again and try another one. Let's say cashew nuts. Okay, we'll click on cashew nuts. Cashew nuts. Then we'll click on contact the buyer. Then we'll click on unlock contact details of the buyer, and then we'll click on proceed to unlock. So we'll click on Inquiry Manager, and we can now click on Show Contact Details of this buyer, and now we'll have the contact details of this buyer. You can now begin to send message. Let's do another one again before we call it a day. So let's say we're looking for gallstone buyer, and we'll click on gallstone. Today's buyer 29. So we'll click on Contact Buyer Details. There are always going to be buyers here, so we'll click on unlock contact details of the buyer. We'll click on proceed to unlock. We'll click on Inquiry Manager, and now we can show the contact details by clicking on that contact details, and here is where you find the details of the buyer. If you're not using the premium package, you cannot have access to all these buyers. You must have the contact, you must have the ability to use, because you paid already. That's why you can have access to it. So this is it, and I wish you good luck in your course of searching for buyer and also transacting with buyers. Good luck.